Muscle contraction overview. First, it begins with a sensory organ, for example your eyes, and they detect the stimulus in the environment, which would be what is going on around. For example, this could be catching a ball. When the sensory organ senses a possible muscle contraction, this sends a sensory impulse down the spinal cord into the brain. The brain will then send an impulse to the sensory neuron when it thinks there is a contraction necessary. If this is needed, the impulse then releases an active protocol down the neuron. This bounces along the node of Ranvier, as the myelin sheets do not allow for depolarization. This allows the active protocol to bounce across the myelin sheets. This is called ciliary reduction.